My name is Julie. I'm from Sioux Falls, South Dakota, and I'm the owner of a wholesale winter apparel business. Before my shoulder surgery, the pain was intense. When I had broke my right shoulder, it had actually ultimately cut off blood supply to the shoulder.
After trying a few things to see if we could get her to feel better, we came to the conclusion that she also needed a shoulder replacement.
Recovery wasn't what I expected. It was so much better. I just didn't have any problems, and I feel as if life is pretty much back to normal. And my greatest times and memories really come from being surrounded with my family, with my grandchildren, and even their 4 dogs that they bring along with them.